Hi, I'm Caroline, and this afternoon I'm sitting with Beven from Integrum Management Systems. Beven, tell me a little bit about you and your role there.
My role is a CEO of Integrum. I'm also co-founder of it over 15 years ago now. Integrum, we provide a very specialist solution for quality, health, safety and environment management. It also involves risk and compliance management. What does it mean? It allows companies, small and large, to log and track their accidents, their incidents, corrective actions to follow up, their controlled documents such as policies, procedures, auditing, inspections, training management. There's a whole range of functions that organisations need to do around quality, health, safety and environment management, and our software provides all those functions for them.
So what are the challenges when you're collecting this huge amount of data?
Some of the challenges is sometimes just the mere remoteness of some of our clients. We have clients who operate ships, vessels, or they're located in very, very remote mining and oil and gas territories. Our system can operate totally offline and then replicate back to head office environments on a selected basis.
And what has been the impact on your business by offering your software solution in the cloud?
The cloud's really has offered a number of benefits. We've seen the move from the in-premise installation, and our clients, we're dealing with sensitive data around safety, quality, and some of the largest corporations. So they were very concerned initially to move to the cloud, but they've embraced it significantly. For us, it minimises our deployment, allows us to rapidly deploy, to support systems much more seamlessly, and they are the main points for us. And it also becomes absolutely platform agnostic, from the point of view that the client doesn't need to worry about what platform are we buying into. Secondly, we've got clients that by working with Virtual.Offis, we've been able to secure some pretty major corporations who, again, were hesitant to go to the cloud, including New South Wales Government.
What's the story behind RailCorp and how they use your software?
New South Wales Transport is a New South Wales RailCorp, has a large train construction project called the Waratah project, where the trains are being constructed in China, and they send a quality assurance team there to do the defect management, to actually assess the defects of the train sets as they're coming off the production floor. So our software allows them to do that on tablets, remotely, offline, where they're going in and they're actually logging the defects, taking photographs which are attached and linked to the defect notice or the defect form, and then uploading back to the server that's hosted by Office, and from there it raises corrective actions out to the manufacturer or to the contractors. From that they can then track thousands and thousands of defects to closure in a very, very minimal time frame. So while that's all happening in real time in China, the defect management is being managed by the manufacturer and tracked in a whole sort of collective process.
There's a lot of buzz about business intelligence and big data. Can you tell me your perspective on that?
I think business intelligence is, as a word bandied around, or as a phrase bandied around, but to us it is important and it's real. If you get it right, it is very powerful. We've just recently introduced Integrum BI, which is our new reporting system, which is providing a massive cut, slice and dice capability for all range of managers. In a system like ours, there's so much data going in, there's so much data related around incidents, quality, defects, all these parameters. But if you can't get it out and in a meaningful way to be able to at least analyse what it is that's gone on from a trend, predict what might happen from future trends, then a lot of the data is being lost. So to me, business intelligence has been a very important part of our business, and we're very, very pleased with the new Integrum BI system that we've introduced this year.
How did you come to select Virtual.Offis as your managed infrastructure partner?
Obviously, we've been in the game for a number of years, and so has Virtual.Offis. And from Office's point of view, being an IBM business partner as we are, gave us a level of comfort that we're using associated hardware that's compatible with our products. Also, I think they have experience with our platform as well in the past, so we were very comfortable that moving to that, or choosing them was not going to be that difficult.
So Virtual.Offis have been more than just a technology partner for you guys. Tell me a little bit more about your business relationship.
Well, I think one thing is accessibility. They're always available, always accessible. And our team really enjoys working with them. And I know that our team does rely on them quite heavily in relation to advice on the setup, the server structures, etc. Now, that's a great relief that we don't have to have deep understanding and knowledge of that, and relying on the Office to help us and guide us through that process.
If you were to give a referral or a recommendation for Virtual.Offis, what would you say to people?
It's their willingness to go further than just a normal hosting provider. I think they're very much in tune with our needs, and we can't ask for more than that.